Welcome to this guide on how to make money from AI-generated videos without ever showing your face. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is a game changer, and with the right approach, you can create videos that generate income all while staying behind the scenes. Let's dive into some actionable steps you can take. 1. Choose your niche. First things first, pick a niche for your videos. Some popular options include tech reviews, educational content, motivational videos, or even explainer videos for various topics. The key is to find a subject that you're interested in and that has a decent demand in the market. You can use tools like Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions to identify topics that are currently trending. 2. Use AI video creation tools. Now that you have a niche, it's time to create your video content. You can use AI-powered tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or InVideo. These platforms allow you to generate high-quality videos by simply entering a script, and they even have AI avatars and voiceovers you can use. No need to show your face or even record your voice. 3. Monetize through YouTube. Once your AI-generated video is ready, upload it to platforms like YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platforms for monetization, especially when you hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. From there, you can enable ads through Google AdSense, which will generate income every time someone watches your video. 4. Affiliate marketing. Another great way to earn money is through affiliate marketing. You can place affiliate links in your video description, promoting products or services related to your niche. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's a simple way to add an extra income stream without needing a huge audience. 5. Sell digital products. You can also create and sell digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, directly through your videos. Many platforms, like Gumroad or Teachable, make it easy to set up a store. Promote your product within your videos and direct viewers to purchase. 6. Consistency is key. Finally, consistency is crucial. The more videos you post, the better your chances of growing your audience and increasing your income. Stick to a regular schedule, and over time, your channel will become a passive income stream. Conclusion. That's it. By leveraging AI tools and platforms like YouTube, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, you can generate income without ever needing to appear on camera. Start today and watch your passive income grow.